मैं एक रोबो दिखता इंसान हूं पर हूं एक मशीन।
Rajnikant. The name is synonymous with stardom, super hits, and for many of his fans, God. And whenever there is a Rajnikant film releasing, one can only expect the house full board greeting you, that too in advance. But it's not just the overriding star power, it's what his films offer that put him at a pedestal time and again. And this time around with Robot 2, Rajni gives us a glimpse of why he deserves to be worshipped. After 10 years of rigorous experimenting, Dr. Vasi, that is Rajni, finally manages to make India's first andro-humanoid and wants to train the robot for it to serve the country. However, when there's a good guy, there's also a bad. Dr. Vasi's guru, played by Danny Denzongpa, cannot see his student excelling at something he couldn't do, hence rejects his creation on the grounds that the robot cannot feel or decide for himself. Now, to overcome that, Dr. Vasi instills the robot, that's Chitti, with human emotions, and that's when the problems begin.
सर की उम्र क्या होगी?
एक दिन।
अक्ल है?
नहीं, निकल है। बहुत सारे निकल के बने।
तुम क्या बड़े विद्वानम भावती?
मनुष्य की बनाई हुई चीजों में दो ही चीजें कमाल की हैं, एक मैं और दूसरी तुम।
Chitti falls in love with Vasi's girlfriend Sana, played by Aishwarya, who considers him just an ordinary machine, and from there on, all hell breaks loose. Endiran the robot is by far the grandest and greatest Indian cinema has ever seen. Though on the story front there may be many flaws, and even the scripting may not be path-breaking, but you wouldn't care to give that a thought when the spellbinding visual delight will engulf you into its dramatic world. Director S. Shankar's avant-garde vision surely deserves thunderous applause. He gives the film its much-needed southern spice, but at the same time takes it to a different level by the spectacularly magnificent special effects that are truly of international standards.
Command mode activated.
The final 30 minutes of the film will leave you gasping for breath, as you'd be catered with much more than you have ever seen before in Indian cinema. Each and every scene of the movie shows why The Robot is the most expensive film, be it the extravagant song sequences or the breathtaking animatrix used before in films like Avatar and Predator. Now, if you talk about acting, words indeed fall short in praise of Rajnikant, who enigmatically pulls off yet another brilliant performance that will go down in the history. Even Aishwarya Rai Bachchan looks scintillating and acts great. Though we don't want to stop praising the film, we'll just sum it up saying that Endiran the Robot is truly a spectacular, sensational, scintillating southern sizzler, which is a must-watch for all. You miss it, you miss the world. We at Rajshri.com give it 4 stars.
मुझे कोई नहीं मिटा सकता।
In short, he is one-man army. Get ready, folks.